Welcome to our class 5, Mathematics. So we are in chapter 2, Multiply and Divide. Yes, chapter number 2. So in our previous session, we have completed how to do multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Yes, so there are many different methods of doing multiplication. One simple method I taught you. Yes or no? Yes, even you can do by split and multiply. While doing the hundreds multiplication with hundreds and tens and thousands, I taught you how to do split and multiply. Okay, so now let us go on with some more important points. Okay, I told you I'll give the difference between the multiplication, addition, subtraction and division. Okay, so now let me just make 4 columns. Divide the board into 4 columns. Addition, add, and this is multiplication. As I told you, addition's best friend is multiplication. So these are some of the keywords which I am giving you: subtraction and then division. Yes. Okay, so let us start. You are aware that you know that addition, the keyword is add. Yes, the keyword is add. You know that. Yes, add, all together, and total, combine, both, in all, sum, increase, plus, join, together. So these are some of the keywords. Okay, so don't worry, these more than this also can be there as per the problem. It depends on the problem. Okay, so now in the word problem, when you multiplication, both addition and multiplication, both the keywords will be there. So that means this keyword and this keyword. So multiplication, what are the keywords you will have? Each, same, twice, product. Yes, then in all. So you can see that the keywords are almost similar. Double, per, times, factor, find the factors of, every, then increase, twice, sets of, so these are some of the keywords. Okay, more than this also can be there. So you can observe here that, see here, increase in both multiplication and addition. See here, increase, twice. So here also you'll get some twice also. Okay, then in all, yes. So these are all the keywords which are there in multiplication and addition will be maximum similar. Okay, Then next is who is the subtraction's best friend is division. So subtraction is nothing but, division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Yes, multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. To make our calculations in a simple way, we do multiplication and division. Wherever multiplication is there, that means that there compulsory you will have addition. Wherever division is there, there you will have subtraction. Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. If you do division or else if you do subtraction, both are the same. Now, subtraction, what all keywords you will get it? Difference. Difference means subtraction. Minus. Gave away. Give away or gave away. Okay, take away. Take or taken. Yes. Shorter. Shorter. Smaller. Remain. Reminder. Yes. Left out. Less. Change. Decrease. So these are some of the keywords. Not compulsory that these keywords are not there, that means you should not do division. Just one thing is common in between multiplication and division is both the things are done when there are equal number of things, equal parts, equal things or equal items or whatever it is. Yes. Now, what are the keywords you have for division? Share equally. When this keyword share equally is used, you will do division. Each. Share in multiplication and division. Yes. But the thing is, if you have difference, minus, gave away, taken away, less, change, decrease, these keywords are there, that means you will do division. When the keywords are twice, increase, plus, join, in all, that time with each, along with the each, you will do multiplication. Okay. Then next, what are the next keywords in division? Split, divide, find the quotient. Yes. Then into, average, out of, percent. Percent is nothing but percentage. Okay. So these are some of the keywords for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Now, did you understand the difference between these all things? Maybe it is very clear. So now let us do some problems related to this. Let us make ourselves clear and perfect, and don't worry, the PDF file I'll give you for these all things. So the next one, so you have learned that multiplication is also called repeated addition. So now division is also called repeated subtraction. Yes, multiplication is also called repeated addition and division is also called repeated subtraction. So what is the formula? Yes, and also I told you multiplication is reverse of division. Multiplication is reverse of division. How? Let me explain you. Let us go on with this point now. So now see here, in multiplication, when multiplication and division, when there are equal number of groups. As I told you, if you have 4 rows and in each row there are 7 benches. So 4 rows, 7 benches, and each row should have 7 benches, not more or less. It should be exactly equal. So groups are 4 and number of benches in each group. So equal groups in each are 7. That time only you will do multiplication and division. Yes, equal groups in each. So in the problem, you have to identify what are the groups and what are the groups in each. Yes, which will give you total. So what is the symbol here? Multiplication symbol, into. So how many groups and how many groups in each? Okay, so this type of questions you have to solve in the word problem of both multiplication and division. Now, how it is reversed? In division, total will be given. You have to divide by equal groups either. If you divide with equal group, you will get the answer as equal groups in each. Equal group in each. Okay, so if the same way total is given and if you divide by equal group in each, what the remaining one? Equal group is remained. Equal group in each, then you will get the answer after equal to as equal groups. So in a word problem of multiplication and division, you have to firstly identify what are the equal groups and what are the equal groups in each. Then you have to find out whether you have to find out the total or not, you have to check it. If you have to find out the total, then you have to do multiplication. And if total is given and equal group is given, that means you have to do division. Okay, so these are some of the keywords for multiplication and this is the formula, children. So now it is very clear what you have to do it. The next one is split and multiply. So for the bigger number, let us split and multiply. How you will do it? Day before yesterday, in the previous session, I have told you that multiplication is repeated addition, and I have shown you some examples where you will be multiplying 2 digit with the 2 digit with the 2 digit. Yes, 3 digit with the 2 digit and 3 digit with the 1 digit. We have gone through this examples and we have done the problem. So now let us try how you will split and multiply. Yes. Just give me a second, children. Yes. So let us take an example. Just one problem I'll make you do how to split and multiply for the bigger numbers. Okay. Then we'll go for the division. Okay, so let me take the number as simple number, 2-digit number with 1 digit, 19 into 8. Yes, so I hope all have gone through the tables. Yes, now you are perfect in the tables. I told you to learn. Yes or no? Okay, so 19 into 8. How you write 19 into 8? 19 can be written as 10 plus 9 into 8. So this 10 plus 9, I'll keep it in the bracket, then 8. So 10 into 8 plus 9 into 8. Got it? So that means, so if the problem is 19 into 8, so what you'll do? 9 into 8 also will be done, then 8 into 1. Yes or no? So the same way. So 10 into 8 is 80 plus 9 8s are 8 9s are how much? 72. Got it? So 80 plus 72 how much? 80 plus 72. Let us do the addition. 80 plus 72 to 15. So how much you are getting? 152. So let us check it by multiplying. 8 9s are 72. 2, 1 carry over, 8 1s are 8 plus 1, 9. There is some mistake here. Let me do it again, children. So, okay, 10 8s are 80, 72, 2, 15. 8 1s are 8, 9. Okay. Let me take another one and do it. Let us see whether we are getting or not. So next one. Thirteen into 6. So firstly, split 13. Ten plus 3 into 6. So 10 into 6 plus 3 into 6. 10 6 are 60 plus 6 3s are 12. 60 plus 12, 72. Yes. So now let us try the same way. 6 3s are 18. Yes. So it is 78. So now let us multiply and check. 6 3s are 18. 8 1 carry. 6 1s are 6 plus 7 plus 1 is 7. 78. Yes or no? Understood? Split and multiply. Okay. So now let us take some bigger number. Let us do with the 2-digit number, bigger number, split and multiply. Okay. So now, so this was 2-digit with 1 digit. Now let us try with some bigger number, 3 digit with 1 digit. Okay, so let us take the number 325. 325 into 3. So this is the number. Let me first solve by split and multiply. Now I'll split the number. 325 can be written as 325 can be written as 300 plus 20 plus 5. Done? Okay. Now into 3 it is. So now this side 300 into 3 plus 20 into 3 plus 5 into 3. Okay. So now let me solve that. So let me solve it. So 300 into 3. How much? 300 into 3 is 3 3s are 900 plus 20 into 3. 3 2s are 6 0 16 plus 5 3s are 15. So I got it. So now let us do the addition part. 900 plus 60 plus 15. Okay. So 900. Let me do it in a proper way. So 900 plus 60 plus 15. Write the number one below the other and then do the addition. So 5 plus 0 plus 5, 0 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 9, 9. So we got the answer as 975. So when you multiply 325 into 3, you have to get 975. So let us check that. 325 into 3. So firstly, 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 3s are 9. So did you get the answer? 975. So if you split and multiply, or else if you multiply directly, the answer will not change. Okay. Now let us do for some little complicated problem. Okay. So 2 digit with 2 digit. Whichever method is easy, children, that method you follow. It's not compulsory. It's not mandatory to follow the method which teacher is only saying. I'm giving you 2 or 3 methods which you feel comfortable, that method you follow. Okay. Mathematics, any method you can do. Now let me take a problem. 45 into 23. 45 into 23. It is a 2-digit number with a 2 digit. So now, firstly, let me do the multiplication. So in the previous class, I showed you how to do multiplication of 2 digit with 2 digit. Firstly, 45 I will multiply by 3. Yes, 45. So I'll do here itself, children. In the previous class, I did separately. I'll do here itself. 5 3s are 15. 5, 1 carry. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. So 135. Then first column 0. Now go to the second one. So now 5 2s are 2 5s are 10. 0, 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Now add it. So 5, 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So 1035. Now let me check this by doing split and multiply. Okay, so this multiplication part is completed. Now let me split and multiply. So 45, if I split it, if I expand it, how much will I get? 40 plus 5. Then next 23, If I expand it, it is 20 plus 3. Yes. Now let me go on with it. So 40 plus 5, 40 plus 5 into 20 plus 3. Okay. Now 40 into 20. 40 into 20 plus 40 into 3 plus 5 into 20 plus 5 into 3. Okay. So now let us do each one separately. 40 into 20. 4 twos are 8. How many zeros are there? As I said you, whenever you have zeros at the last after multiplication, add the number of zeros beside the answer. So here 2 zeros, it is 800 plus 40 into 3. 4 threes are 12. 12 and 1 0 here. So 120 plus 5 into 20. So 5 into 20 is 5 twos are 10. So 1 0, 100. Then 5 threes are 15. Now let us add 800. 800 plus 120 plus 100 plus 15. Addition 5. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So how much you got it? 1035. So you can see that when you multiply and when you do split and multiply, the answer will be the same. So firstly, after writing 40 plus 5 and 20 plus 3, after expanding this 40, you have to multiply with 20 and then 3. See here, I have done it 40 into 20 and 40 into 3. Then this 5 also the same way. It should be multiplied with 20 and 3. Yes? Okay, children? So by that only, you will be doing the multiplication in a simpler way. Okay. So now let us go to the next lesson, next one, division. So firstly, division, I have gone through the keywords of division. Okay. So what is the symbol of division, children? Division symbol is divided by symbol. So this is the symbol of division. Now how you will write the division? So this is the symbol of division, and you know that division is repeated subtraction. Yes. Now how you will symbolize? So let us take one example. Division means distribution into equal number of children. So as I said you, in division total will be given. You have to distribute equally equal number of groups or shares. Equal number of groups or shares equally you have to distribute it in each. Equal groups in each. Yes. So this is the division part. So now let me just give you an example orally. So when you distribute, when you have 20 chocolates and you have to distribute among, you have 20 chocolates. So this is an example. You have 20 chocolates and you have to distribute among 4 friends. How many friends? 4 friends you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now how you will distribute among each friend separately? So let me go on, see here. 1 chocolate, 2, 3, 4. I'll stop till 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. So 20 over each one are getting how many chocolates? 5 chocolates each one got. Yes? Yes or no? So distributing like this is called repeated. Equally, you have to distribute it in equal number of groups. So 20 chocolates distributed among 4 friends. So the same one you can even do by repeated subtraction. Now see here, 20 chocolates. So minus how many friends are there? 4. So 20 minus 4 is 16. So then the 16 I'll make it repeatedly. 16 minus, I have to stop when I get 0 as my answer. So again 16 minus 4, how much I got? 12. Then again 12 minus 4, 8. Then again 8 minus 4, 4. The same one. 4 minus 4, 0. So how many times I did repeatedly subtraction? This is first, second, third time, fourth time, and this one is the fifth time. Yes. So totally how many times? So 5 times I did. So that is the answer. 5 is the answer. How you'll write it? So 20 divided by 4 will give you 5. 5 is nothing but the number of times which we did and the number of equal number of groups which we have, equal number of chocolates in each group. Yes. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. Got it? So both the methods I showed you. Now let us go on with the division method. So these are normal the methods which you have to do. Now let me show you what is the actual division method you have to do to solve this problem. Let me erase this one, children. So now 20 divided by 4. Divided by 4. So division is these columns. 20 should be written in the center. This 4 should be written at the left side of the brackets. Yes. 20 divided by 4. Any method you can write it. So it can be written like this also. Yes, 4 can be written here. Okay. So here you will write the answer. Now, in 4 table, firstly start with 1 digit. 2 is smaller than 4. So you have to take 2 digits. Now in 4 table, 4 table, where you will get 20, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That's why I said you to be thorough with the tables, because both multiplication and division you have to learn tables. Okay. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay. So now where you got 20, 4 5s are 20. So 4 into 5 will give you 20. So now what is the friend of division? Subtraction. So 20 minus 20 is 0. And this 5 is called the quotient. And this 20, this number 20 is called the dividend. Remember these terms. and 4 is the divisor, and here you got 0. So 0 is the remainder. Okay. So what is the formula here? Dividend into divisor So you have to remember the formula. Yes, children? So firstly, today you just understand what is quotient, dividend, divisor, and remainder. Okay. So now let us do the same type of thing for a 3-digit number. So this was a 2-digit number. Let us first do it for a 3-digit division. Okay, children. Let me go on with this in the next class. So dividend into divisor plus quotient into remainder. Okay. So this formula I'll just make you thorough it in the next class, in the next session. Okay. So by this our class is completed. I'll give you some example problems, and the worksheets also will be provided through My Class Campus app. Okay. Please practice it. And at the last, please kindly pay the fee. Yes. The pending fees as well as the term fees of this present year, the pending fees of the previous year and this year. Please kindly pay it as soon as possible. You are gaining the knowledge, children. So kindly pay the fees. So by this our class is completed, children. Please check the My Class Campus app for the PDF. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Hope everybody are following the lessons. Okay. Thank you, children.